I'm excited to share my experience with the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier. It's been a game changer for my home. I was struggling with allergies and needed a solution. That's when I found this amazing product. It's an air purifier designed to clean the whole home air, perfect for people like me who suffer from allergies. The AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier is a device that helps remove pollutants and allergens from the air we breathe, making our homes a healthier place. It's specifically designed for people with allergies issues, like myself, and it's been a lifesaver. This product is perfect for anyone who wants to breathe easy in their own home, without worrying about allergens and pollutants. The AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier has a coverage area of 4,172 square feet, which is huge. It can easily cover my entire home. It also features an UltraHEPA filter, which is incredibly effective at removing tiny particles from the air, including dust, pollen, and other allergens. The CADR, or clean air delivery rate, is 1,500, which means it can clean the air in my home really quickly. It's also whisper quiet, so I can have it on all the time without being disturbed, and it has 6 different fan speeds, so I can adjust it to my liking. The sensor is also really cool. It detects PM 2.5 particles in the air, which are the tiny particles that can be really harmful to our health. I've been using the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier for a while now, and I've noticed a huge difference in my home. The air feels cleaner and fresher. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's been a total lifesaver for my allergies, and I think it could really help you too. If you're struggling with allergies like I was, I highly recommend checking out the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier. The 6 key specs of this product are its coverage area of 4,172 square feet, UltraHEPA filter, CADR of 1,500, whisper quiet operation, 6 fan speeds, and PM 2.5 sensor. These features make it an ideal solution for anyone looking to improve their home's air quality. The AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier is a great investment for anyone who wants to improve the air quality in their home, and I'm so glad I found it. It's easy to use and maintain, and it's really efficient. I've already recommended it to my friends and family. I'm so happy with the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier, and I think you will be too, so go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. In my opinion, the AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier is a great choice for anyone who wants to improve their home's air quality, and I highly recommend it. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm looking forward to sharing more product reviews with you, and I hope you'll join me on this journey. The AIRDOCTOR Air Purifier is a great product, and I'm so glad I got to share my experience with you.